right, well, good morning, Donna. So, the predicament we are in. Called around the Harley-Davidson shop here in Rapid City to try to get 170/60/17 tires, see what they have in stock. And the first thing the guy informed me was that, well, we're not a BMW dealer, so that's good to know. If you call a Harley shop, they'll make sure you know that they're not a BMW dealer. So anyway, they've got a Dunlop something or other in stock for $260. So I've already got a dang tire. It's going to be delivered to the house. So that's, you know, that's one option, but it's not even going to be the right tire. There's Sturgis Motorsports. Here we are in Sturgis getting a new tire replaced. But getting a decent deal on the tire, I suppose. Not getting ripped off too bad, so I'm gonna go over here and grab a burger. Freaking 1 o'clock. Haven't really made much for progress today, but that's fine. I'm not in a big hurry, so I have a brand new Anarchy 3 tire on the back to mismatch my Pilot Road 4 trail up front, and we're gonna make it work. So yeah. Oh, there she is. Leave about winds to travel in of all of my travels, and today is no exception. The wind is so bad that on the farmers irrigation, you know how they have a big ass sprinkler at the very end of their agricultural sprayer machines? The spray was being blasted so hard by the wind that it was just vaporizing out into the atmosphere before it would even reach the freaking ground. It is just absolutely brutal winds out here today, dudes. I think that's pretty much every day in Wyoming. Storm clouds are brewing over there in the mountain ranges. Afternoon storms. So I think the plan tonight is to get up into the Bighorns and have a night camp, catch up on some rest, and try to power through Yellowstone, Jackson on the way home tomorrow. Dudes, I'm super stoked. What lies before me over there is the Bighorn Mountain Range up here in northeastern Wyoming. I have to decide whether I'm going to circumnavigate around the south side or kind of venture off up to the north. I've always been intrigued by this mountain range, and when I was scouting out this trip, I was looking at the size of some of the peaks. There's some 10,000 footers in there. It's just neat to be able to finally have a reason to be in this area and be venturing up here through this region to take an opportunity to finally see a little bit of the Bighorns. It's quite a bit of wilderness. I still see some snowpack up in there. Man, I wish I could find a trail that would actually take me through about the middle ground somewhere. But what we can discover. Finally get up into the hills and get out of this damn wind. Great. Here we are, Bighorn. Just outside of the Bighorn mountain range. Well, folks, this is about as close as we're going to get up into the big part of the Bighorn mountain range. The main summit is all the way over there. Pretty badass. We're going to take Highway 14 instead of Highway 16 up and meander through what I'm supposing is that canyon over there. Should be pretty scenic, but probably not going to get a chance to see the big peaks, but perhaps. Either way, pretty stoked. Check out these freaking scenes. What an incredible view. Man, that weather is something else. Lots of pine trees, very lush green pines. US Highway 14. The other alternative is Highway 16, 45, 50 miles that way. Instead, we ventured all the way up here. There's a little town of Dayton down below, really cool. And Burgess Junction is kind of the summit area up here. It's only 20 miles, so I only got 20 miles to get to before I can actually set up camp. So this is pretty stellar, pretty scenic, pretty cool, worthwhile, worth coming up here. Glad I did it.